Welcome to Invest. We talk about investing, finance, or professional development. So current time of 11:10 a.m. on Eastern Time, Ethereum country $3,430, about 2.61% so far. I wasn't planning on posting so early, but it seems like there's a news that came out approximately about just 5 minutes ago, and I had some free time, so I decided to just come on a camera real quick. It seems like there's news that's breaking out around coming from India. There's a 30% of tax that will be in full effect it's going to be implemented onto crypto transactions going forward. So when that news broke out, whenever you hear things along the line with respect to taxation, profit, marginalizations, just any regulatory dynamic news that can hinder the potential on profitability for investor, it drives negative sell-off across the spectrum. And right now we are selling down about 3% for Ethereum. So let's just dive into the technical to see what's going on right now. So with respect to, again, recording time of 11:11 a.m. on the Eastern Time, we are sliding off from the 3475, heading down to ideally to 3,350 as the next level. You could see that across the spectrum, MACD is already curving down, so it's a negative, bearish momentum. Also, there's a negative, reverse W, or if you could say M, which is the shape that we're forming right now. That means that we had major resistance as we hit above to keep the bullish momentum going that we couldn't. That allow us to have the propensity to go back down. So the next level with 3350 and 3158. And I think because of the fact that we're relatively overbought, I think coming down to like the low 3000s all the way to 2853 would be very possible. With respect to Bitcoin, down about 2%. I would say in comparable affectation with the 57 out of 70, def cross is forming. So that means coming down to ideally below 44, which I believe we have a real shot of actually cracking below. And then retesting somewhere around 40 would be very logical. Ethereum Classics down about 2%. We formed a def cross recently, so we are on the verge of selling down all the way from 38, 34 to potentially even 28 from these three frames. But because of the fact that we shot up one shot, and we might actually retest some consolidation around 34, which is based on the historical matchup on the peaks that we've had in the mountain here, right? Respect to Dogecoin, up down about 1.4%. We're seeing that, that downward bullish pendant that we talked about, but because of the fact the overall market is selling off right now, is driving it to come down as well. But this green candle was a translation of the bullish pattern that we formed, right? So right now, would I be buying now? No, I will be waiting because of the reverse W shapes that we're seeing right now, coming down to ideally, for me, 11 to all the way to 10 cents would be where I would DCA at. Cardano's up about 1.5%, again, right, with respect to 82 to 74 from here. Solana's down about 5% right now. This is just technical speaking in truth, selling off right now. I like anywhere from basically 82 to 75 in terms of the risk management level for me to dollar cost average at. XRP down about 2.5%. I like anywhere from basically 63 to 57 from here, based on the current setup at 50 out of 70. And polkadot's down about 5% so far. Right now it's obviously very negative. You could see how many resistance that would form on top. At the same time, about to form a def cross right now. So 14 all the way to 16 all the way to 14 would be where I'll be dollar cost averaging at. Algorand down about 5%. I like anywhere from basically 70 all the way to 67. You could see that clearly without about to form a def cross as well. Shiba Inu down about 2%. Same affectation, being dragged down by the overall market. Negative on the RSI front. We're about to curve down now. So Shiba Inu 2100, 1400, 900 from here. Polygon down about 4% as well. I like anywhere from basically 143 to 120, right? AVAX down about 6% right now. It's even more severe. I like anywhere from basically, again, right, 59 to 50 based on the current setup. I think we might have some room to fall down to. Bounce from 80, but for me to DCA, logically 60 to 50 from here. Luna is down about 2%. At the moment right now, would I be buying at the moment? I would say not really. You have W shapes again on the reverse. And at the same time, you're cooling down, especially on the surge. We could not get above 120. We give up basically 3 times already. So it's not the best setup for you to get in at the moment, right? And so yeah, so it seems like we are leaping down, we're levitating at the moment right now, but the next propensity, next level of support will be somewhere around 33550 all the way to 3158 for Ethereum specifically. Okay, so just want to give you a quick update. It's a relatively quick one, but appreciate you for dropping by again, and take care. Bye.